Hi, today I have for some reason IKEA lock. This is a very small IKEA combination padlock. I don't know why they're making padlocks, but it is what it is. This one, I was not gentle with the packaging, so it's called ELLOVEN. I don't know how to pronounce that. And on the other side, it's 2109, some IKEA. This is the NUM model CI 1838310-1, probably, or maybe this is the model uh, made in China. You can see. So, yeah, and it came with this small, very small booklet, and it's showing how you can put the combination. Then if you want to change the combination, what to do, and yeah, and there is IKEA. So it's a very tiny one, very small one. I really like it for some reason, maybe because it's white. I have never seen, I don't know, no one is making white padlocks, but it's nice. So it's a trivia, very small. Let's try to put some different code, and let's try to, let me show you how you can, come on, yeah, how you can, you need to push it very hard, how you can decode this kind of a small IKEA locks. uh, Let me put everything in a number, then let's lock it, then let's, come on, yes. So I have some combination, and then let me show, let's put 000, and because it's small, I cannot put a tension. I will grab some padlock. In this case, this is an Abus small padlock, and let's decode it. So I will push the pressure that way, and I will try to see which wheel it's not rotating. So in this case, the zero, the first one, it's very tight. So I just going to go through the, and you can see it's pop up and 6. Let's see the other numbers. Yeah, now this is stuck. So it's click on 3, but I don't think there are security, or sorry, false gates on this one. So it's 8, it's like clearly like in a gate. So we need the last one probably only. Come on, come on, come on. Yes, you just rotating. Probably it was 3. So it's a pretty, come on, it's a pretty easy to decode it. Just put a pressure and just turn the wheels. Then you start turning the wheel that it's not moving freely. So it's a pretty easy to decode this one. 638 was the combination that I had it. So yeah, this was a very cool, very tiny IKEA padlock, combination padlock, trivial padlock picked. So guys, oh sorry, decoded. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice day, have a nice picking, and bye bye.